hours left in my opener, and just entered 2 photo shows, so showing you my results. So yeah, let's get started. Get my Schleich over here, Winter. Got a 3rd in the warm blood class. His name is Winter, so yeah, and I made these ribbons, and there's a tutorial on it. See, my little Winter got a 3rd. That's why he's on the shelf and not down below the grass, not the grass, the ground. I'm gonna save her for last because she got a lot. Here, Midnight's, not Midnight's Thunder, Halloween Shadows. Got a 2nd, yes, in the Morgan class. And then this little April Showers. Got a, just a second, let me get a ribbon. First, yes, first in the Arabian class. So I was really excited about that. She got first. And this was 3rd. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. Oh, you don't belong up here, you belong right there. And then, this girl got a, Cloud Dancer got me a, 3rd place in the Pod Arabian. Her name's Cloud Dancer. These don't say the show names. So I was really proud of her. Jeez. I did enter more, but some of the classes I entered in had to be like, because not enough people entered, so I couldn't enter them, so. And then oh my gosh, she was like my holy grail stablemate now. This little stablemate, got in one day 2 photo shows, 2 different ones. Got first in the pink class and a 2nd one day. So I was really excited. She's definitely live showing with me when I go to a live show. Because if I go to Bratwurst next year, I'm gonna live show. I'm not showing this year, but I'm gonna live show next year if I can. Or if I go to any other shows soon. Really excited about my placings. Because it was my first time. Yep. And I did pretty good for my first time, so yeah. I think I did pretty good. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.